how to install Arduino IDE. So if you want to download and install Arduino IDE, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and go with search and search for Arduino IDE. Once you've searched, here you will have www.arduino.cc. So you just need to simply click on it. It will take you to the website. Now, if you want to download this, you just need to simply scroll down. And here on the right side, you will have download options, right? So you can simply choose Windows 10 and newer, which is 64 bits, or you can go with the MSI installer or zip file, or you can also go with the Linux or Mac OS and everything. So I'll just choose Windows, which is on the first option. Once you click on it, now if you would like to contribute and download, you can simply contribute, or you can just go with download, which will be on the bottom. Click on just download and then enter your email address and subscribe. Or if you don't want to subscribe to it, then you just need to simply click on just download again. And on the upper right side, you will have this kind of interface, which is unverified file. Just click on it and click on download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. So it may take a few minutes or a few seconds to download. So just wait for a few minutes and then it will be downloaded. And once the file has been downloaded, then you can just simply click on the file. And if you double click on the file, then you will have the install button on the bottom right. You can simply tap on install and it will be installed. So that's the process to download and install Arduino IDE. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.